She never thought she'd be here, speaking to a crowd. Just 1 year ago, Lipa could barely say her name in front of others. Lipa was 20 years old and painfully shy. She avoided speaking to people and spent most of her time alone in her small room. Her books and her dreams were her closest friends. One day, while walking in the park, she noticed a group of people standing in a circle. They were clapping and laughing, their energy drawing her in. Lipa stood at a distance, watching. A small sign on a table read, "Open Mic Night, everyone welcome." She stayed hidden, watching a young woman tell a funny story. The crowd cheered and clapped, and for a moment Lipa imagined herself in that circle. But the thought scared her. She turned and walked away, but the idea stayed with her. Back at home, Lipa stood in front of her mirror. She whispered, "Hello, my name is Lipa." Her voice barely audible. She practiced every day, her voice growing stronger with each attempt. Weeks later, she found herself back at the park. This time, she didn't just watch. When the host asked for volunteers, Lipa's hand slowly rose. Her heart raced as she walked to the microphone, the crowd watching her expectantly. Her voice trembled as she said, "Hey, my name is Lipa." The crowd smiled and clapped, and Lipa felt a spark of courage. She told a short story about her favorite book. By the time she finished, the applause was louder and so was her confidence. Now, here she was, sharing her story. "I was so scared," she said, her voice steady, "but I tried, and I learned that one moment of bravery can change everything." The crowd erupted in applause. Lipa smiled, her fear replaced by pride and joy. As the event ended, Lipa walked outside into the cool night air. She felt different, stronger, a quiet confidence shone in her eyes. Because sometimes it only takes one small step to start a big change. Courage starts with a single step.